By the end of this video, front of this car gonna look different, man. Got a front bumper body kit sent to us by EV Base. Let's get into it. Alright, we got the box. Got the kit in here. Front bumper kit from EV Base. Got everything we need. Got my screwdriver. About to put it together, show y'all the process. About to get it together, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, as y'all can see, it's 3 separate pieces. It's all gonna come together as one long piece, and it's gonna go right there, right in this space right here. So I'm about to screw these pieces together, and we're gonna go to the next step. What up?
What's up, man? I see you still at it, bro.
Yeah. Oh, you was here last time I was there. Yeah, bro. They didn't see me. They didn't see me the screws, so they just sent me the screws.
They just sent you the screws?
Yeah, like last week. So I had to wait for the screws to come. So yeah. But it's gonna be on YouTube. You be on YouTube? Huh? You be on YouTube? You don't watch YouTube?
Nah, really, like, not for real, for real.
You gotta check me out, man. That's why I'm making a YouTube. That's why I record. I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. You been good?
Yeah, you?
Yeah. Where you coming from?
Seeing my mom.
Oh yeah, how she doing?
She alright?
That's what I like to hear, bro.
Yeah, I'm about to check something. I'm about to check on something in the house, and I'm about to bounce. Alright, bro.
Alright, bro. Alright, that's the first side. Just gotta do the last side, man. See, I put them little holes right here. Hole. Screw right here. Sturdy. Be sturdy, man. Got one side done, man. All right, G. Make sure it's tight. I don't want to do it too tight. I don't want to break the plastic. Make sure it's sturdy. Alright. And this red tape on here that y'all see, this the adhesive. It's gonna stick on there. Just 3 screws on each side. One last screw. Yes, sir. One.
More good line surface and shit.
That one came out easy. We got this. It's like they want me to bite this bit. Oh, here we go. Shit feel dry.
Like a girl.
Stop it.
Huh?
Never that. Maybe when if she around you, she with me, it's a waterfall. You hear me? That shit like Niagara Falls, you heard me?
You said Niagara Falls or Niagara Falls?
You the only one that need Viagra. I ain't never had to take no honey pack, none of that shit. Damn, they gave me like 4 of them. Shit. It's just make sure it's gonna stick on there. Make sure it don't fly off of there. All right, that should be good. Good enough. Ain't gotta be perfect.
Come on, man, there's a mosquito out here. Shit.
Man, we got some mosquitoes, man. We ain't crying about some mosquitoes.
Shit, have you been bit by these mosquitoes like this motherfucking shit?
Yeah, I've been bit by a mosquito.
These, and it's after the rain too? Shit, those are different type of mosquitoes, bro.
You sound soft to me.
Huh?
Sound soft to me.
Yo, here sounds soft too.
It is soft.
Shit.
Your girl like rubbing in it.
Man, fuck you.
She be playing.
I'll beat your ass.
It sound good.
Oh, okay. I'm just saying you talking all that shit.
It sound good. Alright, come on. Watch this. Let me make sure it's the right one, Bryce.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not centered.
It's loose on this side over here. There'll be a adhesive or something, or there's supposed to be adhesive. That look. You gotta put the screws back in there.
Yup.
I want to push in. It's loose on this side over here, too.
Huh?
Is that loose on that side? Okay.
Yep. That look tough or what, man? Let me know something.
It look alright.
You said what?
It look good.
Oh, alright.
That one not as tight right there. Like it needs to be pushed up harder or something, I guess.
Where?
No, on the edge.
Over here?
Yeah. I'm like it's open. It's real open right there. The other one tighter, but
You said it's like it's open?
yeah, like that one like more tighter. Oh, I'm gonna point the camera like it's. I'm like it's. Like, isn't that towards the edge? You know what I'm trying to say? Like, the other one towards the edge, like, where? But did that glue supposed to? Yeah, see, it's, you know what I'm trying to say? Like,
I know what you're saying.
I'm not trying to. Shit.
There you go.
Is it like adhesive at the bottom?
Does it look better?
It look a little bit better.
Alright, we got it on there. The camera died, so we had to switch to the phone. But it's on there, it's the adhesive on there. Now the last thing I gotta do is just put these on here. I'm about to do that.
You have to push it outside first. You have to put the outside thing first.
Like that?
Take the thing you took out in the middle.
Yeah.
Take that out first, then push it in. And then then you take the peg out the middle.
Like this?
Yeah, then you push them in hard, and then like you took the other one, then it fasten in.
See, that's why I fuck with you.
Yeah.
I would've been right here struggling.
That's how Nissan, a lot of Nissan been like that for years, man.
We out the Nissan, man. We on to the Tesla, man. We got the Tesla now.
Get the Chevys now, man.
No more Nissan, man.
Get the Chevy.
So your new whip. My uncle got a new whip too, man. We done upgraded from the Nissan.
Yeah.
We in the SUVs now.
Yep.
No more sedans. For now.
Mm-hmm. That was probably hard to take out.
It don't make it no better, easier. I ain't got no nails. You know, you gotta keep your nails clipped for the females. You know, can't feel me playing with. Y'all know what's going on. I ain't gotta say too much.
Yeah, 2 fingers in. 2 fingers out.
The kids watching, bro. You gotta chill out, bro.
Oh, my bad.
We got the kids watching now. It is. That's what I'm putting in right now. I gotta put this last one in. Hey, this is my first time looking underneath the car. Bro, that battery big as fuck. That battery, bro. But alright, I got all of these in there. Last thing I gotta do, put these last 4 screws. Got 2 spots. Got a screw hole right here and a screw hole right here on each side. So you gotta do these last screws. Use my code, man. 20% off all for this accessory. Use my code. I don't know why this screw not going in. I'm gonna get this screw to go in. I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Oh shit, this the flathead. I'm tripping. But yeah, I was using the screws. I was going at the wrong angle. That's why the screws weren't going in. But we got them now. This is the 3rd one. Just got 1 left. 1 screw left. It's a weird angle. All right, I'm gonna show y'all the end result, man. Alright, y'all, we done, man. You see the body kit? Let me know what y'all think about it. Shout out to EV Base again. If y'all want one of these body kits, the link in the description. You get 20% off if you use my discount code. Shout out to EV Base again for the body kit. I got more accessories for y'all coming, so be tuned for that. Got more videos. And if you ain't liked the video yet, you still watching, hit the like button, man, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want next. Song, man, song. Yeah. Yes, sir.